G'day guys, well today we're doing a tailgate review on the actual tailgate. So we're actually we're ripping this factory liner off and using the Huracan Fabrication PX Ranger chopping board upgrade to the Ford Ranger. We're going to be taking you through a bit of a step-by-step process on how to do it, so stay tuned.
Cool.
All right, so the board is an 8mm thick polycarbonate CNC routed sheet that replaces your factory liner here on the tailgate. Now it comes with all your fixings to mount it. So what we're going to do first is remove the existing factory liner, and you're going to need a T30 torque bit to remove these screws here. All right, so just with your battery drill and your T30 torque bit, we're just going to remove these 8 screws. All right, so to remove the factory liner, it sits in between these 2 little plastic channels. So what we need to do is it's going to be a little bit difficult to sort of get out. Basically, sort of sandwiched in there and just removes like that. So once we remove the liner, we're going to take those same screws and we're going to screw this little plate back in, back into the original holes. So those 2 plastic side strips here, we need to remove them, and they're just stuck on with some double-sided tape. So just simply just grab them, give them a pull up, like so. So what you need to do now is remove the actual white film. So this is the back side of the actual board. Take that off, and flip this over. We can sort of put this in place now, where it's going to go. And then the actual top side has a film as well, but we'll remove that once we're all done. All right, so just before you go ahead and screw this in, just make sure you got it in the right orientation and that your drink holders are towards the back of the actual tailgate, and then make sure it's all sort of lined up in the center of the tailgate itself. And then grabbing your screws that come supplied. So it comes with 7 screws and they're stainless steel. However, these ones are actually a T-drive head. So just make sure you grab a T-drive bit, and then from there we can go through and screw them in. Right, and finally, the last step of the process is probably the most satisfying bit, is peeling this nice film off. Look at that. Beautiful, nice surface. Far nicer to sit on than the old tailgate. So why do we upgrade the tailgate liner? Purely and simple, the original one from Ford is absolutely terrible to sort of sit on, work on. I don't know what they were thinking. That rib design just absolutely smokes your knees when you're trying to get in and out of the back of the Ranger here. Anyway, I purchased this from Huracan Fabrication with my own money. I'm not sponsored or endorsed by them or anything like that. Just purely and simply wanted to upgrade it and look like it was a worthy upgrade. For 199 bucks delivered to your door, look, it's not the actual cheapest, but however, I think it's still, reasonably value for money. Anyway guys, if you've got any questions or comments, drop them down below. Till next time, get out there, get camping. Talk to you soon.